All right, we want to talk about lurking variables. A lurking variable is it's neither the explanatory nor response variable, but it is influencing our interpretation of what we're talking about. So let's take a look here. If you ignore a lurking variable, it leads to a fallacy, which is that correlation implies causation. It's a false conclusion to say correlation implies causation. So if you look right here with me, okay, this is a comic from XKCD. If you've ever heard of it, I like it. Funny. I used to think correlation implied causation. Then I took a statistics class, and now I don't. Sounds like the class helped. Well, maybe, because it's funny because they're saying that the class was the cause of the change in thinking, and because of the class no longer thinks that correlation of ideas is caused by the class. He says, well, maybe it was the class, but I don't want to assume that correlation implies causation. Sorry, it's funny. All right. So right here, the correlation between shark sightings and ice cream sales is 0.97. That is a wicked strong correlation. That's like an A+, okay? Low A+, but it's an A+. So that would lead you to say, does ice cream cause shark sightings? Right? Like maybe people are eating ice cream and the sharks can smell it, and so they swim closer where people can see them, and so ice cream causes shark sightings. Or maybe shark sightings are the explanatory variable, and people see sharks and they freak out, and so they go out and they have ice cream because they're like they're scared, and so it's like their comfort food. In reality, there's another variable lurking behind the scenes. Do you know what that last variable is that's lurking behind the scenes? Well, it is temperature. When it's hot out, guess what happens? People go outside to the beach and they eat ice cream. When people are at the beach, okay, cold weather, not many people going to the beach, not many people buying ice cream. Medium weather, people start going to the beach. They see more sharks because they're at the beach, and they eat more ice cream because it's hot. And then over here, people are definitely at the beach, and because they're at the beach, they see a lot more sharks. And because it's hot, they're eating more ice cream. And so there is a lurking variable, and it is the temperature outside that is causing both the shark sightings and the ice cream to increase. It is not there's a correlation between shark sightings and ice cream, but there is not a causation relationship in those two variables, okay? So you need to be careful that you don't assume causation when there's merely a correlation. All right? Good luck and farewell.